morning. Thank you very much for checking out this episode of Gallivant with us.
On this episode, Gallivant with us as we rent a pontoon to cruise the lagoon of Bora Bora. We get to swim with friendly sharks, stingrays, and tons of fish while basking in the sun in these crystal clear lagoons.
And Matera Beach, we're over here at the Intercontinental. We're about to get the boat so we can head out around the island today and catch some of the lagoons.
Plage Tours offers outdoor activities, boat tours, water sports, and boat rentals. Their boats range from 13 feet to just over 30 feet, and you can rent them for between 4 to 8 hours at affordable rates.
Got that GoPro accessories, got the fins, the goggles, backpack. There's Maya. Boom, we're loaded down. We got all the camera gear, some extra food, fruits, water. We're ready to execute this mission. What you think, Maya?
Wow. We're over here on our pontoon. How is it?
Sick. On the pontoon. Cruising the lagoon. This is definitely the life. That must be the bay over there for coral gardens. The blacktip reef sharks swimming around the lagoon are small and timid. These are the sharks most frequently seen in the Bora Bora lagoon as they prefer shallow water. You may think we are completely out of our minds for swimming with sharks and stingrays, but this definitely turned out to be an amazing experience and actually the highlight of the entire trip.
The stingrays in Bora Bora feel soft and slippery to the touch. These amazing beings have the easygoing energy like a curious puppy dog. You will quickly become their best friend after giving them a treat or two. We also saw manta rays and eagle rays.
So this is the current situation over here at Bora Bora on the pontoon. All I gotta say is, it is unbelievable. The color of this water, the lagoons, all the scenic islands, it is crazy. Just like pure amazement. There's Maya in the water, snorkeling by herself. Fully in love. Look at those mountains. Is this crazy? Or is this crazy?
Head held high, even though it's not a lie that we need deep in the dust. Killing time while pretending that we're fine, thinking someday we will burst. You and I are falling behind and not ready to go. Get out while we're whole. Now take my advice. Take my advice. Let go, I wanted you. I know, you feel it too. Cut loose, before we sink into the ocean's blue, the ocean.
Bora Bora is without a doubt among the world's most beautiful places. Being surrounded by thousands of miles of Pacific Ocean, it's a favorite honeymoon spot and a popular retreat for celebrities with its vibrant reefs, translucent waters, pristine beaches, warm hospitality, and rich culture. This stunning beauty has understandably drawn the biggest names in luxury resorts such as the Four Seasons, Conrad, Intercontinental, St. Regis, Le Méridien, and so on.
Let go, I wanted you. I know, you feel it too. Cut loose, before we sing. We sink into the ocean's blue, the ocean. I hear we sink into the ocean, blue, the ocean. I wanna leave and finally be free of all our expectations. No more couple invitations. I wanna let go. I wanted you. I know, you feel it too. Cut loose, before we sing. We sink into the ocean's blue, the ocean. I hear we sink into the ocean.
Checking out all the different colors of blues out here. The sky is actually a darker blue than the ocean. I think that's the first time I've ever seen that. Woo, over here at the
Intercontinental.
Moana.
If you're coming to Bora Bora, we highly recommend checking out Le Plage Tours and ask for Ari. He took great care of us. We had an epic day that we will always remember. Link to Le Plage Tour in the description below. Thank you very much for hanging out with us and watching. On the next episode, we're heading back to Papeete, then taking a day trip on the Aremiti ferry to Moorea. Please like, subscribe, and share. See you next time!